Okay, so I just stumbled upon Argo rollouts, and it's like this game changer for Kubernetes deployments.
Wait, what is it specifically doing that makes it so pivotal? I'm intrigued already.
It's a controller that allows advanced deployment methods like blue, green, and canary updates. Super promising.
Oh wow, blue, green, and canary updates. That's wild. How do those compare to regular updates?
Well, traditional updates can be pretty risky, especially in high-volume production. This offers a way to minimize that risk.
So it basically gives you more control? That's huge. Like, how does it handle traffic during an update?
Exactly. It integrates with ingress controllers and service meshes to gradually shift traffic, which is so much safer.
Hold on. Gradual traffic shifting. So you can essentially test the waters before fully committing.
Yes. And there's automatic rollback if things go south. It's like having a safety net for your deployments.
That's brilliant. But what if something goes wrong? Can it abort automatically?
Totally. It can check metrics from various providers to determine if the rollout should continue or roll back.
Metrics? Like what types are we talking about here? This feels like a toolkit for smart decisions.
Exactly. You can query KPIs, metrics from Prometheus, Datadog, and more to make informed choices.
Oh man, integrating that with operations must streamline things so much.
Absolutely. It's no longer just about making updates. It's about making them safer and smarter.
So what are some of the standout features? Are there any specific strategies it excels in?
Definitely. There's blue-green updates, fine-grained traffic shifting, automated rollbacks. Really powerful.
Let's unpack that. Blue-green updates, what's the benefit there?
It's about running two environments, one current, one new. If anything fails, you just switch back.
Wow, so it's like having a backup right away. How does canary testing fit into this?
Canary testing allows you to deploy to a small segment of users first and monitor their experience.
That's clever. You get to test without risking the entire user base. How do they measure success?
By tracking user responses and application performance metrics, it's incredibly data-driven.
Data-driven decisions in tech really shift the paradigm, don't they?
Exactly. It's like this evolution of how we think about reliability and user experience in tech.
And where does GitOps come into play? I remember that from our last chat.
Ah, yes. Argo rollouts integrates really well with GitOps for managing deployment pipelines seamlessly.
That connection adds another layer to it. So basically, it's giving you control on multiple fronts.
Right. You're able to manage application delivery, making your deployments less risky.
Now, thinking about environments, can this work for both small and large-scale setups?
Absolutely. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, it scales to fit your needs quite nicely.
This is like a superhero for DevOps. What are some real-world applications?
Companies like Intuit are using it for their canary deployments, making their processes more efficient.
That's awesome. It must be comforting to know you're minimizing failures.
For sure. Nobody wants to push a broken build to production, right?
Absolutely not. And the automatic rollback function, that's a lifesaver.
Yes, just think about it. If a deployment fails, your system can revert without manual intervention.
That's simplifying the whole ordeal. So if you put everything together,
we see how Argo rollouts revolutionizes deployment. It's safer, smarter, and addresses many old challenges.
Wow, I love this whole concept of progressive delivery. It's changing the game.
Right? It makes every deployment a calculated move rather than a leap of faith.
I'm curious, what's the next step for teams wanting to embrace this?
They should start exploring the features and try integrating it into their current workflows.
Now I'm itching to dive deeper into Argo rollouts. It opens up so many avenues.
It really does. Plus, the community around it is super supportive, so that's a bonus.
Exactly. It feels like there's a treasure trove of resources out there. This is getting me excited.
Totally. So much to consider. How it changes risk management in deployments is just fascinating.
Right? It leaves you wondering what other innovative tools are waiting to be discovered.